leader made statements against the Modi government. But after realizing the blunder, the Unnao MP backtracked on his remarks. Will the BJP discipline the controversial leader or allow him to continue embarrassing the party?
He has the knack of making controversial comments, and his remarks have already earned him a notice from the BJP top brass. But BJP's Sakshi Maharaj continues to rant. This time he has even dared the Prime Minister, saying that he has the power to break the Narendra Modi-led government at the centre. Caught on the back foot now, BJP's Unnao MP outrightly rejecting giving any such interview.
बेबुनियाद बयान जो मोदी के संदर्भ में आया है, मैं सरकार गिरा सकता हूं, मैं सरकार बना सकता हूं, मैं सिरे से खंडन करता हूं। इसके संदर्भ में यही कह सकता हूं कि उनके खिलाफ केस दर्ज कराऊंगा।
BJP, which has found itself at the receiving end of their MP's controversial comments, has so far evaded questions.
Your member of parliament, Mr. Sakshi Maharaj, has said that he's a powerful man and he can make or break your government.
I don't need to make any comment on that.
Sakshi Maharaj is not new to controversy. First, he praised Mahatma Gandhi's killer.
मुझे लगता है कि नाथूराम गॉडसे भी एक राष्ट्रभक्त था। उसका उस समय का जो स्टेटमेंट है वो मुझे लगता है कि राष्ट्रभक्ति से ही ओतप्रोत था। किसी कारण से गुस्सा से अगर उसने कोई गलती की होगी तो मुझे संदर्भ में नहीं, लेकिन वो राष्ट्रद्रोही भी नहीं था।
And then came the bizarre 4 children theory.
लड़की से लड़की की शादी, लड़के से लड़की की शादी, पिछली सरकार हो गई ना बुद्धि खराब। इसलिए हम स्वामी जी के भाषण पर, प्रवचनों पर अपने को जोड़ते हुए निवेदन करना चाहते हैं, कम से कम 4 बच्चे पैदा करो।
And this fresh comment giving the opposition more fodder.
I think this statement of Sakshi Maharaj establishes the fact that the BJP leadership led by Mr. Modi have a core RSS agenda.
Sources within the BJP telling Times now that the party has taken note of his statement and strict action will be initiated against the BJP MP. But clearly, even after repeated advisories by the party, Sakshi Maharaj refuses to listen to them. With video journalist Manish Khanna, this is Aditya Natharayanan in Delhi for Times Now.